Okay, we are here at Brass Balls, Bobbers and Choppers World Headquarters using our Summit machine tool lathe. We are making a dust shield out of aluminum with the lathe, and this dust shield is for the RLX bike for Ray Hall Letterman Racing to support the troops. So take a look. So there you go, and now we'll part that piece off, and we'll have a dust shield for the steering neck of the bike. Keep checking back all the cool stuff we're doing. Brass Balls, Bobbers, and Choppers. Thanks to Summit Machine Tool Corporation for providing us great machinery that helps us build these great bikes.